My name is Alexandra Lucas. I am a researcher at the Arizona State University Biodesign Institute and also a practicing cardiologist at St. Joseph's Hospital in Phoenix area. I am here today at the International Atherosclerosis. That's wrong.
Cardiology. No, International Cardiology.
Can I change it?
Yeah, of course. We do the. Yep. Start away.
You want me to start again?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Should I start with name again?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi, my name is Alexandra Lucas. I'm a practicing cardiologist and also a researcher in the Arizona area at Arizona State University in the Biodesign Institute, and also practicing at St. Joseph's Hospital, part of Creighton University in Phoenix. I'm here at the 23rd World Cardiology Congress, and this is about my 4th or 5th time to this Congress. I was here presenting a talk on our research that we've been doing for about 20-25 years on the role and actions of virus-derived immune modulators and peptides, and how they interact and suppress inflammation and atherosclerotic vascular disease, and also very severe inflammatory vasculitic syndromes. And we have found recently that there's a marked interaction with the gut microbiota, the bacteria, and we've been able to isolate specific changes in bacteria, both in response to virus infections that cause vascular inflammation and disease, but also having an effect on the ability of these serine protease inhibitors, or SERPINs, to prevent inflammatory vascular disease and improve survival. A lot of this is mouse work, but one of the studies done with this serine protease inhibitor actually proved in people after stent implants with unstable coronary disease that we could reduce markers of heart damage in acute coronary syndromes. So that is pretty much the work we do and the effects we're finding, but it ties in beautifully with what's being found with the role of our own gut bacteria and how they can influence the aggressive atherosclerosis we see in diabetics and patients that have hyperlipidemia.